Good evening to all. I'm Mary Jackson, one of the OET aspirant in Edu Skills. Today I'm going to discuss about the reading part C introduction. Then already, okay, according to the ebook, I just prepared the introduction along with the slides of the videos. Okay. According to the father strategy, we need to focus only on the A grade, not to the B grade. Okay. So that's why only I mentioned A. Here, what is that number of the text, nature of the text is given, or how it is the text, then how many questions is there, what type of question is there, how long time we have to take, or what type of the what type we can use to analyze the question or answer. Here we'll go on to see one by one. Number of the text in the part C, that is contain two longer text will be there, and relationship between the part C text, that is it's not necessarily related to the thematically, that is a different topic will be there. Both the extract will be different. The number of the questions will be 8 multiple choices, that is from one part will be 8 and 2 8 into 2, that is a 16 questions is there. Then format of the part C question will be the multiple choice question. The recommended time for, according to our father strategy, we need to focus on the or time limitation of 35 minutes maximum. Sorry. Then answering the strategy for the part, that is a candidate should read deeply and focus on the implied meaning and the meanings and contextual clues. The what method we can use, that is a question text or answer QTA method we can use it. Then we'll move to the next slide, that is the ability to identify, that is a skills assessed. Ability to identify the detailed meaning and opinion we have to understand. Then second one will be the ability to understand the explicit and implied meaning and the attitude or opinion presented in the longer text. Candidates must infer the author's intended message and viewpoint. Difference between the explicit and the implied meaning, that explicit means that is stated directly, it's stated, and implied means it's required interpretations. Then identifying the author's attitude means candidates need to recognize the tone or perspective and the opinion within the text. We have to understand what are the things we have to focus. We have to focus on the opinion or opinion based question or attitude based question, what the mention in the text, that and compare with the question and need to focus. Here, one more slide I didn't add, because already we know that in the part A, from the part A, we focus on the skimming method, title and everything, subheading, and the heading, subheading, section heading, everything. We have to focus that same need to focus, include along with that other things we have to focus, means focus on the paragraph structure and focus on the topic sentence, gist or main idea, or ignore the subject complement, unnecessary things you have to cut it. Then look for the opinion after the contrast word. Then focus on the scale expression and look for the hedging words in the question statement. Look for the synonym and synonymous language and paraphrasing. Then next will be the model verb and cause and effect language will be there, and we have to identify what is the exact cause and what is the effect. Then we have to go for the number or person. Then look for the comparison, that maybe advantages or disadvantages will be there. We have to focus on that. The next one, what type of the question we will going to have in the part C. Here are 6 different type of questions is there, that is a detail or impression type question, attitude, opinion, and conclusion drawn. These all the 4 type of question we need to focus on the view and opinion of the writer. Then other 2 types, that is a vocabulary and a reference type is there, that we call it as a lexical type question. Then how we can able to select the answer with the 7 skills. This is according to the father strategy. Read the text for the gist, that is understand the main idea of the text. Then gist will be help you to identify the options by maker words. maker words in the opinion. We can see this kind of the words in the options. In my opinion, think, say, believe, like that. Then identify the opinion by hedging words. Identify the opinion by the hedging words with the probably, perhaps, maybe, likely. Then read for the emotion or subjective agreement, that is a compelling or interesting, remarkable or worthy of attention, or unfortunately or sadly. These kind of the words will be in the paragraph or all in the options. Then look for the opinion that the main clues. Here I mentioned, say, father is given one example in one topic. Okay, despite the countless changes that the OET aspirants face in the low resource environment created by the various service provided, this is the dependent clue. That is the other name will be a sub clue. Will here it's the sentence is expressing the negative expression. Then OET remain the best hope for many health professionals in building up their future. That is the independent clue. Other name is a main clue. Always we have to focus on the independent clue. In the paragraph structure, in the paragraph, we can see this is this type of the sentence will be there. So always we need to focus on the independent clue. What is the main clue it's given in the topic? We have to understand and we need to confirm the answer. Then next one is look for the model where already we know that can, could, that will be ability or possibility, may, might will be a possibility, must will be necessity and obligation, should will be the advice, recommendation and suggestions will be there. Then last one is the focus on the paragraph structure. Always father will tell that we need to focus on the paragraph structure. If the once a paragraph structure is understood very well, we can able to correlate with the other other options. Here we know that the topic sentence and controlling idea will be the first portion will be the topic sentence and will be continuation. The second after the comma will be the controlling idea will be, that will be the up and down will be there topic sentence. Then next one is a supportive sentence. Supportive sentence always will give the explanation of the topic sentence. Then we can here there is a examples. Always father will say that maybe will be problem 1 or 2 3 4 like that, or effect will be there, or solution means solution 1 and 2 3 there. Okay, then developing sentence is there, that is a evidence or example. What according to the passage we need to do that paragraph structure. Then last one is a link or that is the concluding sentence will be there. It's like that is the method, peel method. P for point, E for explanation, E for evidence, and L for link. Then last we what are the steps we need to practice. While practicing time you have to focus all these 7 points. First step, analyze the question. Then identify the keywords repeated in the text. Third one is identify the clue word, that is a contrast word will be there. Then fourth one is summarizing the test according to the father strategy. Whenever we'll read the topic, we have to summarize the topic with maybe the 10 sentence 10 lines means we have to cut down within the short sentence, short paragraph. Then next one is the fifth one is compare the answer option with the text to eliminate. And already in the B part also we have seen that how we'll go into match the answer or how can eliminate with the option and the text. Focus on the nature and language is used. What type of the language is used, like a cause and effect language, or maybe it's like effect only the problems will be mentioned, or something effect will be there, or a solution is given, or advantages is given. What we have to given in the text, that we have to focus. Then eliminate the wrong answer. Then confirm. Seventh one is a confirm and mark the correct answer. According to this strategy, we can analyze the answer in easy way. Thank you.